put this sound on 3 times speed or something bad will happen. Well, I've tried that once, and yeah, that actually happened. That was horrifying. So, yeah. But like, who cares? Like, who cares about my life? Like, I was just kidding about who cares about my life. So yeah, I have like a short over here. I have a short somewhere that like I just told to not put the video on 2 times speed, and yeah, though it's really far in my feed, so it's gonna take a while. So if you don't want to watch this, just put it at 2 times speed, and yeah. So if you try to put this sound on 3 times speed, will actually be horrifying. Like, yeah, this is the video I'm talking about. So yeah, this is like this one. Play them off. If you put on speed,